next way to make her wife material, give her the blueprint. What does that mean? Most women, when it comes to relationships, are like babies. They're emotional. They cry when they don't get enough attention. They're hungry but don't know what they want to eat, which is why you call her baby, she calls you daddy. The dynamic has already been cemented. But because of that, what happens with children? They don't know how to conduct themselves properly. So what do you have to do? Give them instructions. Instead of you just kicking her to the curb when she does something wrong, tell her exactly what you want. Meaning, if she says, hey, I want to go out on a date. Well, I'm going to be honest, you haven't done enough to earn that from me. Hey, I want to meet your friends. Well, I'm going to be honest, you still need to do these 3 things in order for me to get you to meet my friends. You tell her exactly what you need from her for her to become elevated. So if she decides not to do what you tell her, that's fine, but she knows exactly why she's never been elevated to girlfriend or wifey status. Because you gave her the blueprint. At that point, it's not my fault that you're not exclusive with me. It's yours.